Hello everyone, welcome to our PTPro series for elementary teachers. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how we can track our outcomes progress for a whole class. Once we log on, the default is to see our assignment list. To see all the outcomes for our class, I can click Progress, Outcomes. Now here I can see a list of all the outcomes that have been attributed to this subject. And I can see the grade distribution, and I can see how many assignments have that particular outcome attached. Grade distribution shows me which students are beginning and which students are approaching, which are proficient, which are exemplary. I find this quite handy because it allows me to see at a quick glance which students need my extra attention. If I click on the assignments icon, then it shows me the names of each assignment attributed to that particular outcome. So if I want to look at the specific details of assignment, I can click on that assignment name and it will take me right to the score sheet. That's it for today, everyone. If you have any questions, please do give us a call at St. Peter's Center. Thanks for watching and have a great day.